that the online world is drastically changing our lives, and for the most part, the consequences of interacting with the digital space are beneficial. Sadly, it has few loopholes which can't be fixed or eradicated at the time being. So the only solution is to understand the way it works and beat the schemes by educating the masses. And I'm Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be talking about OSupport.us scam, which is a type of tech scam which is currently targeting people located in the Western Hemisphere. If you have a Microsoft computer and have recently launched a complaint, then there is significant chances of coming in contact with the crooks. Just like most of the tech scams, they pretend to be the employees of Microsoft and encourage people to download third-party applications which contain a lot of malwares. Their end goal is to extract both personal and financial information of the users. By now, we are sure that you have understand how nasty their agendas are. In order to know more about the way they work and perpetuate this scam, stick with me till the end. OSupport.us scam is a modification of the tech support scam. Basically, the people running this operation want to extract sensitive information from the end users. So to get their hands on the information, they pretend to contacting the victims on behalf of Microsoft and guide them towards downloading applications infected with malware. If the user ever makes the mistake of trusting them, then he or she will lose a large portion of their checking account. Thanks to the data on the internet so far, there are ways to distinguish the genuine calls from the fake ones. So to know about the ways these skilled cyber criminals employ, stick with me. Now, how to recognize the OSupport.us scam? Before we start to explain the exact methods used by them, know that there are few ground rules. As a general rule, if you ever feel that you are being bad gut to do something, then most probably you are dealing with a scam. Moreover, remember that genuine companies never ask you to click third-party links or submit your banking information. Lastly, a reputable firm will always handle calls or emails professionally, and that means it will rarely contain any form of typing errors. Moving on to the exact approach used by the ones behind the tech support scam, it is, if you are being contacted by anyone claiming to work for Microsoft without you requesting the assistance beforehand, then be cautious, as this is something which is a common trait of tech support scam. The people behind this operation are known to contact users through the phone. So block numbers which are not listed under the official websites and platforms. Furthermore, make sure that you have specifically blocked this number, that is 602-795-2230. Whenever an employee from a legitimate organization contacts the user, he or she will never ask them to download files from unknown origin or ask for credit card information. This platform has been known to do both of the activities mentioned. So if you ever get a call which forces you to do things against your will or tricks you into putting in the information, then report the number to the official platform immediately. In case you already gave them your account details, then don't forget to block or freeze all the associated accounts as soon as possible. Now, what do the scammers exactly do and exactly what they want? This is perhaps the easiest question ever, and the answer is simple. They want access to your information. Details such as your social security number, account information, along with infecting your system with malware will give enormous room for profit. As soon as they have achieved all of their goals, they will either wipe your account personally or sell your details in the dark web, wherein a random cyber criminal will do the same. Either way, the user will be the only entity who will lose at the end of the day, and the recovery process might seem overwhelming for them. Now, as you know the consequences of dealing with a fraud organization like the one we are discussing, we hope you will be careful with the surfing the web. Now, how can you recover money? Unfortunately, losing money to cyber criminals is becoming a common thing in recent times. A lot of victims are not familiar with the process involved when it comes to tracing the funds using the details provided by the banks. As a result, the majority of the victims just either give up hope or get overwhelmed and stop. While the problem or the process might sound complex at first, let us tell you that it is not necessarily the case. There are a lot of dedicated organizations which are helping people recover their hard-earned money with a reasonable period of time. If you have ever lost money to fake platforms or firms online, then let us know about the incident in detail by filling the contact form on official website. Once we receive all the information required, our expert recovery agents will get in touch with you shortly. Note that the chances of recovery are greater if you take action as soon as the damage is done, or else the criminals might get away. At the time of writing this review, there is no official section on the web dedicated for collecting comments from the victims. Moreover, this scam is way too new to leave any prominent trails behind. However, we strongly believe that in time, as more data pops up, it will be followed by the customer review. Considering your own safety, you should never take chances with this scam, because in the end, it is not something worth wasting your time and efforts. OSupport.us scam is spreading like wildfire in the United States and the United Kingdom. The Microsoft team appears to be aware of the incident, but they can't do much apart from encouraging people to report them to the concerned authorities. So as an end consumers, it is our duty to learn to recognize the traits of the scam and avoid them. Also, do not forget to share this post through your social media profiles and help us enlighten more people. Have you received any email or call similar to the ones we have discussed in this blog? If yes, then do report them to the Microsoft team immediately and do not click or download any software sent by them. Thank you.